Hi everyone, for today's quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you this really easy buttercream recipe. No word of a lie, just 3 simple ingredients. Everything you need to know in a straight to the point, step-by-step format. Let's make a start. The 3 main ingredients are a high quality butter. You want to allow this to go quite soft before use. Then we have the secret ingredient. Now, I'm going to be explaining more about this and actually showing you the product in just a couple of minutes, so just bear with me. And finally, you will also need some warm water. Please bear in mind I'm only making a small amount of buttercream for this tutorial. So I used 113 grams of chopped butter and I added this to my beater, and you want to beat it until light and creamy. We then add the secret ingredient to our beaten butter, and I use a spatula just to mix this in first. I want you to treat this as though it's icing sugar. If we were to beat it straight away, it would just come flying out of the mixer. You will start to see some of the red colour magically just come through. However, this will become more vibrant when we add the water. But you must do this first, so just mix it all in, and then we're going to simply place this onto the beater and beat it for about 1 to 2 minutes, just until it's all combined. So this is the secret ingredient. It is shipped worldwide, and if it keeps things so simple, and just look at how beautiful that rose ended up at the beginning of this content. Now obviously, because it's a tutorial, I haven't followed the full recipe. I have broken mine down so this does not get wasted. But all the instructions here are on the back, and it really is one of the most easiest buttercreams I have ever made, and it pipes absolutely beautifully. So all we need to do now is add the warm water gradually. Now in this packet of cake cream, you will be able to easily cover either an 8-inch round cake or 36 cupcakes on average. Now you may find it looks like it's curdling a little bit and it's splitting. All it needs is to be beaten on slow for roughly 7 to 8 minutes. If you beat it on the slowest setting you have and leave it for about 10 minutes, it will all eventually just come together. Now you can purchase these in all different colours as well. If you're just wanting to use a beautiful bright white buttercream, it comes in that. It tastes delicious. It is smooth on the palate. It is a very simple to make Swiss meringue buttercream, and it really is as simple and as easy as that. Here I have just used a 2D piping nozzle to pipe that beautiful rosette. I really do hope I've helped you again today, and I'll be back soon with an awful lot more new, completely free content. Happy baking everyone, and thank you all for your continued amazing support. It really does mean an awful lot. Take care.